What's up, you guys? This is Josh, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a flying game in Scratch, and I'm going to do it in the fastest and the best way possible. So let's get into this. First up, just before you begin, make sure you have all your sprites ready. So basically, I'm not going to be using this sprite. I have copied this bird. I think you guys um know where this bird came from. So I'm gonna delete that cat. So I'm just gonna pull up all the sprites that we need in this game. And okay, let me delete this one because basically I just need a new costume in here just to uh okay, I'm just gonna upload a new costume in here. All right. I need it to be the same size with okay, this is a bit big. Still a bit big. Need it to be smaller. All right. So I think it's almost the same size. It's not as small. All right. And then when it comes to this one, the spinning GIF, I'm going to take care of this later. So anyway, let's begin with programming the code for the flying bird, or let's just call it the bird. So to begin with, you need to um you first need to program the movement. Okay, so let's hide this coin first. So we have this, and let's go get this costume first. All right, so we're gonna be resizing this later. Let's just get this first. Key press. So when the up arrow, okay, we're gonna use arrow, then change Y by 10. Okay, so we're gonna get all the controls first. So up arrow, and we're gonna have up arrow, down, left, and right. So it's down, then left. Okay, left, then right. So after that, you're gonna go back here. So it's still gonna be um for the down arrow. It's gonna be the opposite of this one. It's gonna be -10, and then for the x-axis, left arrow should be -10 also, because it's going to be the opposite direction, and change x by 10. So this is the first code. So if we check, okay, we could move it up and down, left and right. So now let's go to the coin code. All right, so let's create a variable in here. Let's see. Okay, score, because when we collect the coin, we're gonna have our score. So let's put this green flag and then set score to 0, and then we are gonna go for the forever block in here. Forever block, next costume. All right, so next one is excuse me. Next one is we're also gonna be um let me see this one. Okay, so there's a longer set of code. So we're gonna move this one, then we're gonna go back, getting this, and then show. Then motion, go to X and Y axis. So we need it to go to 117 for the X axis, and then 108 for the Y axis. Then a forever looping block. Then let's go to change X by -5. So this is still for the coin, all right? Then we're gonna need the if then block below that. Then operations, this one, then go back to motion. x position. So if x position is negative 240 is greater than or is less than negative 240, then you need this block go to 117 108. All right. Then after that, another if then block. And we're still gonna be populating this with a lot of stuff. Touching, uh, touching the sprite. Okay, I haven't renamed it yet, but we're gonna be renaming it later. All right. So next is you wanna hide it, hide, and then change score. Okay, I'm getting really bad resolution. Change score by 1. The next, go to the this one, go to x and y axis, but we're going to be using operators in here. So pick random operator. Okay, pick random from negative 213 to 163. And then we're going to do the same for the y axis. All right. So we're going to have 52 and 148. And then we're going to be needing the wait block in here. Wait. And then again, pick random. 1 to 3. And then show. All right. So that's the code for the coin. And then let me just check right here. Okay, so basically this is all gonna be for what do you call this? This is gonna be for the coins. So without the backdrop, let's change the backdrop in here. You know, the blue sky backdrop, the one we all love, and then let's resize this sprite because it's really too big. Let's make it small, maybe even smaller. All right, this is the size, this perfect one. Okay, this is also too big. Okay. All right, so let's see if it actually plays. So we also need to resize the coin to a small one, like a really small one. How small is this? All right. So this flying game doesn't have any obstacles yet, but this is how you actually build a basic flying game. Now, if you were to add some obstacles along the way, you could actually do that with more lines of code. But this is how it should look like. All right. And this is the quickest and the best way possible to build a foundation for your flying game in Scratch in the fastest way possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh, and always remember to keep practicing and keep exploring Scratch so that you could create your very unique and the best Scratch projects out there. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out.